This has been dry for a while, because this would be muck. This would be nothing but muck once this lake went out, and that muck is not muck anymore. It's not muck, it's firm.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
Look at her. You coming with her?
So we're at the Youghiogheny Lake, and nobody around has ever seen this water this low since the old road was in here. And as you can see, there's a lot of water missing out of here. It's going to take years to fill this guy back up, or we're going to have some monsoons, because it's really, really low. Did you guys see back there? I seen a big old carp. Must have been some pretty big fish in here. You can see over here some of the old pilings from an old bridge over in there too. Must have been the old highway bridge. They tore it down. But really nobody's ever seen this low since, you know, the Youghiogheny. I do believe they dammed this up and all this backed up. As you can see, there was some old foundations and stuff like that up there. So we drove up here and wanted to see it. It's hard to believe how much water's gone unless you see it with your own eyes. It's definitely crazy. So, yeah, this is the Youghiogheny, and it's low. So now we just met the edge of the water. So think about it. From here, way up there is where the water was. And down here is where the water's edge is.
There's more little fishes jumping. Just looking at me, Judy.
Look at that.
Little minnows just jumping out of the water. Wonder what's swimming underneath of them.
Probably a big old channel cat or walleye or
Walleyes.
something. Man, it's pretty crazy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the little video. I thought I'd bring this to you and share a little bit about what's going on at the Yough. It's crazy.
Look up here and I'll show you these foundations.
Up here?
Over
Oh, there's some over that way. I've seen some foundations over there. I'd like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.